Ka tulong kubor batikna kalapentim bau beriu ubala pynïap yak kenthei khat khandai senam karta ha Pahamsyiem nongpo udei ubar jylla uba kalaya saklang la kumba san banai haka step kar penutrik nailur arja arpwar ki bor pulit kiethu butleyo jingtep yak jingdon kamedyap kenthei kabadei kakhasi harut srok sinong Pahamsyiem kumba hakapor khatwei beji tam next step kipulit kilahiar syakani kecaka balalap bakatei kakenthei kelasa pynïap how to beriu ubodon kecedei bat imat la bandei nakadaw kajiania hapdeng kejongki kam hadien nakaliang USP ka Riboy district ugiri prasad uloong baki pulit ki dang penlong ya kajingtoket kawabnia halo kani kajingja hadien balakem yaute beriu kat hadu bapelaj ya kani khubor ya kamedyap jongkani kakenthei layo jingtip baki dangle ya pos matem kat kum ki kandon an uni ubar jylla hadien bolale ya kam ulalej IT ldi haki pulit ki balakem pat yu
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpo police station received information from the headman of Pahamsyiem, Nongpo, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpo police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpo police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection.